quick news update. It's Wednesday the 27th of July and Kia has released the EV6 head unit software. We're now on 220721, that's the 21st of July 2022. The only difference I can see is that the bug for the remote AC is now been fixed, and that's where it's, if you set it to say 17, it would set it to 28 and roast the car instead of cooling the car. I've tested it and I can't find a problem with it now, so fingers crossed everyone else has got it fixed for everybody. My other news is my car went in for the Meridian Amplifier fault that I reported on earlier yesterday, and they've got to replace that, so I'm waiting on parts. There's nothing they can do. There are quite a number of people who've got that fault with the amplifier failure who are waiting for parts on my YouTube comments, and I think it is a known fault, but I just wish Meridian had made better amplifiers that lasted a bit longer. I can't even blame Kia on this one. Thank you. Quick reminder on how to check your head unit software version. On the bottom screen, make sure you're on the entertainment, that's seek, file, maps, nav and radio media, and press setup, then general, and then there's your current version, and we're 22. Well, the firmware version is still the same, 220623, but the software version has gone up to 220721, which is the 21st of July 2022. I don't think anything else would have changed.